Oh God. Okay, let's do this fast. What's up, guys? I just moved to Williamsburg about 6 months ago. The space is finally set up, so I wanted to give you a tour of this loft as well as an idea of how much it costs. Right off the bat, I live in a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, and it costs me $3,550 a month. I, of course, split that with my roommate. If you have 3 roommates, it amounts to about $1,200 a month, so it's actually not that expensive for New York. We really love it here, so let's check it out. Right when you walk in, you'll see our kitchen and our living room, and then these giant industrial windows that wrap around our entire loft. And this is a reason why we wanted to rent here, because we just really loved the aesthetic and the natural light that came in. We wanted to design our living room very minimalistic because we use it for photo shoots and we use it for Airbnb, so we wanted everyone to be able to feel comfortable when they were in the space. All of our furniture is essentially secondhand from Facebook Marketplace, and then we added in small elements like our plants and our mirror to add some color and some depth to the living room and make it look a little bit bigger. Right next to our living room is our kitchen. It comes with a huge amount of counter space and a decent amount of storage, and it also has a dishwasher. We didn't want to clutter the space too much, so we didn't put a full table, but instead we decided to have 2 bar stools and a bar top that we could just sit at and eat if we want to. I don't really use the kitchen too much besides like eating breakfast and like quick meals, but when we have people over, it's a great space to hang out in, make some drinks, and chill in our living room. Right off the kitchen is my bedroom. It's enough space to fit a queen-size bed, a mounted TV. I have some shelves in there, and I actually have a full closet. I have giant windows in my room, and it gets very hot and very bright, but I love them. So I installed this track system where I can just pull a curtain over, and it gets pretty dark and pretty cool from that. Right next to my room and off of the living room is my roommate Dan's room. I'm not going to show you his space, but it's essentially an exact mirror of mine, except a little bit smaller. Our third room isn't actually a bedroom, it's an office space. It's not completely done yet, but here's what it looks like. There's enough space for 2 desks in there, and it's an awesome place to be able to just get work done. It's very easy for the both of us to get caught up working, so it's nice to have a space that we can go to and get work done and then leave and enjoy our apartment. Our bathroom is pretty big for New York standards. It has a full bathroom and a shower. To prevent the light from being blocked off from the windows, we just put in a clear shower curtain, and it really keeps the space bright. Outside of that, there's some closet storage with a washer and dryer. There's rooftop access, and there's a fitness center that we can work out in. I forgot to shoot an outro, but that's it, guys. That's the entire apartment. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and it gives you a good idea of what it costs to live in Williamsburg. Anyway, thanks, guys.